Welcome to Review Rumble. The best cauliflower seeds is probably one of the most versatile and rewarding vegetables you can grow in your garden. From crispy florets to creamy soups, cauliflower offers endless culinary possibilities. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of cauliflower seeds, exploring everything from selecting the right variety to mastering the art of planting and nurturing these seeds into a bountiful harvest. Number 5. Homegrown 12 Fall Vegetable Seeds. This premium pack offers a diverse selection of cool season crops. It's ideal for fall and winter gardens, providing reliable varieties that thrive in colder weather. This ensures strong performance for both beginner and experienced gardeners. Each pack includes over 6,000 high-quality, non-GMO seeds. You'll have generous quantities for planting in raised beds, containers, and backyard gardens. This guarantees healthy, natural growth and dependable germination for your seasonal harvest. The pack includes popular frost-tolerant vegetables. You'll find beets, broccoli, cabbage, kale, onions, pumpkins, turnips, lettuce, and peas. This gives you a complete selection for nutritious meals throughout the cooler months. It's designed for simple planting with clear, easy-to-follow instructions. These varieties perform well in fall weather, making it perfect for beginners, families, and home gardeners. Anyone can enjoy a productive, low-maintenance vegetable garden. Create a reliable cold-season garden with these hardy heirloom seeds. They are ideal for sustainable gardening, emergency readiness, and homestead use. Expand your fall and winter harvest with this amazing product. What we like. This seed kit offers a diverse selection of cool season crops, perfect for extending your harvest through fall and winter. It's designed for all skill levels, making it ideal for beginner gardeners. If you're looking to start a productive, low-maintenance vegetable garden, this is the perfect choice. What people say. I'm impressed with how quickly these seeds have grown in just a few days. This variety pack comes with different tools in it to help you measure how deep you plant the seeds, which I think is fantastic. I used these herb seeds in my hydroponic planter and they all sprouted really well. Number 4. Survival Garden Seeds Medicinal Herb Variety Pack. Introducing the Medicinal Herb Seeds Variety Pack. This kit allows you to cultivate your own healing herbs. It's perfect for anyone interested in natural remedies. This pack features a wide variety of herbs. You'll find everything from lavender and chamomile to white sage and holy basil. It's a comprehensive collection for your wellness garden. Whether you're an experienced herbalist or a beginner, this kit is for you. It's designed to help you create teas, tinctures, and salves. This is a great way to start your own apothecary. The seeds are easy to grow, making it simple to start your own medicinal garden. You can plant them indoors or outdoors. It's a great gift for anyone interested in natural healing. These heirloom, non-GMO seeds come from Survival Garden Seeds. They are a trusted American brand, ensuring quality and garden success. You can trust the source of these seeds. What we like. This kit provides a wide variety of medicinal herbs, perfect for creating your own remedies. It's a great choice for herbalists and homesteaders looking to cultivate natural medicine. If you are interested in growing your own apothecary garden, this is the one for you. What people say. The seeds germinated quickly. The plants grew well and produced nice heads of cauliflower. I was very pleased with the results. Number 3. Survival Garden Seeds 15-Pack Vegetable Seed Vault. This seed vault offers a diverse selection of 15 vegetable varieties. It includes popular choices like tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, and squash. You'll have everything you need for a thriving garden. These heirloom, non-hybrid seeds are perfect for year-round planting. The collection includes a balanced mix of warm and cool season crops. This ensures you can enjoy fresh vegetables, canning, or long-term storage. This giftable seed vault provides a complete family vegetable garden. It features high-yield varieties of tomatoes, peppers, squash, and more. It's designed for both indoor and outdoor growing. The seeds are non-GMO and packed fresh with clear instructions. It's easy for beginners to start their own garden. Experienced gardeners will also find it rewarding. These heirloom, non-GMO seeds come from a trusted American brand. They are always open-pollinated, untreated, and quality-tested. You can trust it for garden success. What we like. With 15 different vegetable seed types, this kit offers a balanced mix for year-round growing. It's designed to be easy for beginners, but rewarding for experienced gardeners. If you're looking for a complete family garden kit, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Great seeds, grow quickly directly planted and produce a good yield. The seed started really easy, so by the time the last freeze is over, I'll have plants ready to put in. Number 2. Survival Garden Seeds Flower Seeds Garden Kit. This kit includes 36 different heirloom flower and wildflower seed varieties. They are a mix of annuals and perennials, including popular choices like zinnia and lavender. This ensures a diverse and beautiful garden. The seeds are designed to bloom from spring to fall. You'll enjoy continuous color with early, mid, and late flowering plants. These perennials will return each year, providing lasting beauty. These flower seeds offer more than just beauty. They provide edible blooms and support companion planting. You can also use them for pollinator habitats and cut flowers for your home. Each packet comes with clear planting instructions. The non-GMO heirloom seeds have high germination rates. It is suitable for beds, borders, or containers across most USDA zones. These seeds come from Survival Garden Seeds, a trusted American brand. They are always fresh, untreated, and quality tested. You can trust this product for your garden's success. What we like. This kit offers a wide variety of annual and perennial flowers, ensuring blooms from spring to fall. It also attracts pollinators, making it great for your garden's ecosystem. If you like colorful borders and attracting bees and butterflies, you should consider this. What people say. These were great. I do not have a green thumb at all, but every single one of these grew beautifully. They each have instructions on how and when to plant them, which was extremely helpful. So far, so good. Still germinating some, but the ones I've planted so far have all sprouted. Number 1. Seed Needs Purple Sicily Cauliflower Seeds. This cauliflower is a visual delight, boasting a striking purple color. The color comes from anthocyanins, which also provide nutritional benefits as antioxidants. This is an heirloom variety from Sicily with a long history. It has been cultivated since the 19th century in the Americas and is known for its large heads. It thrives in full sun and well-drained soil during the cool season. This variety is relatively easy to grow compared to others and is fairly pest-resistant. While it turns green when cooked, it's best known for its raw color and flavor. It is great for adding color to your dishes, but be careful not to overcook it. All seeds from Seed Needs are intended for the current and following growing seasons. They are stored in a temperature-controlled, moisture-free facility. Seed Needs offers generous quantities of seeds. You can share them with friends and family, or save the extra seeds for the next season if stored properly. Each seed packet features an illustration of the variety. The back of the packet provides detailed information about sowing the seeds. What we like. This cauliflower variety offers a vibrant purple color, adding visual appeal and nutritional value to your dishes. It's an heirloom variety, known for its unique flavor and ease of growth. If you are looking to add a splash of color to your dishes, you should consider this. What people say. After a few days, good germination. Germinate nicely. All the seeds I planted have germinated. Good value and quality. Can't wait to transfer them outside. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.